So the big question, would we DIY the Mr. Cool system again?
For me, absolutely. Okay, I'm outside here. I'll show you the penetration through the wall and go over each one of the pieces. Okay, so as the line set comes through, you have the power, then you have the supply and the return, and then you have the drain. And so the drain goes down, goes into the wall there because it goes in the slab and goes under the slab and dumps out. So inside here is all the Freon, and then you open the covers, and then there's some valves. Once you get everything hooked up, then you open those valves, and then it releases the Freon. I'm going to say a little prayer to the HVAC gods that want to make these final connections and do all this correctly. So let's go take a look. The unit's on right now, and you can tell how quiet it is. The wiring on this is very simple, because inside here, it shows you literally right here how to connect it, which wire goes where. I mean, it's so unbelievably simple.
It takes care of this entire room, keeps everybody super comfortable. It doesn't get hot when we're cooking. In the winter, if we're sitting here watching TV, it doesn't get cold in the winter. It's just a really fantastic system. Again, we've had zero issues with it. We just really have been very pleased that you can do it yourself, put in your very own mini split system.